this is our location and it's nearby my village. It's not far from my village, you can see. And let me move. So we choose this location because here is quite a fast time. So I was just coming while I was vlogging, playing somewhere, and it's a literally very good vibe. But hi dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am vlogging nearby my village. So right now it's 11 o'clock and it's a very sunshine, and we are very good location. We are very good beautiful location. Sorry, I sometimes I get it stuck while I am delivering my speech. Show you, this is our location and it's nearby my village. It's not far from my village, you can see. And let me move. So we choose this location because here is quite relaxed. So I feel literally good, honestly I'm telling you. But today is little bit much sunshine than yesterday compared to. But yeah, as time going gradually, this heat decreasing, but it will increase first because it's 11 o'clock and the sun will come in the center of sky when it will start in 12 o'clock, at 12 o'clock. So it's pretty good, and yeah, wind is blowing along with this sunshine. People are cultivating, villager are cultivating right now, and yeah, so I'm getting direct sun rays. I have to change my direction. Let me move another direction, guys. So under shade right now I am and yeah, it's feel good, and it is as this heat is increasing, but yeah, it will decrease. So what I wanted to say, guys, I forgot. I just confused whenever I'm vlogging and I want to say, but this is fickle mind. Honestly, I'm telling you, I just simply I forgot. But I don't know why I have this habit. I forget. So that's why I vlog every day, so that I can good uh, be good. I want to be good communicator. So that's why every single day I'm trying to make vlogs, and you know past 1 month, guys, I didn't upload even a single vlog. I didn't make any video due to there's some reason, some problem. So that's why. But right now I am free, and at that time also I was free, but I was not vlogging. But yeah, I can say that nowadays I'm totally free, and that's why I'm trying to every single day make vlog. And where it look like very beautiful, someone flying kite. It's not visible, but many kids over there, those kids look like familiar. I don't know who is. And this is mustard field, and as you can see, there is many weeds. What do you call, guys, these unnecessary plants, this unnecessary grass? It's a weeds. Hey, what are you doing, man? And over there is my village, and we are here. We are come here. We came here to Just so guys, as you can hear the music playing somewhere, and it's a literally very good vibe, but there is a lot of noise. We change three three location, but we are quite adjacent still, so we have to move a little bit further so that we can avoid and we can properly shoot without any interruption and disturb. So we are very close to our village. If we cross this house, then we will get our village. So guys, we are not going to substitute our location, and few peoples are staring behind us. They are not visible. So villager, it is very strange when you are vlogging in front of people are staring. So I will honestly, I'm telling you, I feel it is strange, and literally it is peculiar, but I try to shoot my vlog because it is for me important, guys. Today, if I will not shoot my vlog, if I will not try to do something, then I will be nothing. So at least it's okay, fine, if people it's staring at me. So guys, as you can hear, this is Bhojpuri music playing over there, and we are also hearing, but we are focusing on. So yeah, I was saying, guys, that whenever I'm vlogging, villager people are staring at me. It's a literally, guys, I feel a little bit shy in front of them, because onlookers, it is common here to pay attention. Onlookers, especially who are newly saying that he is vlogging, because in my village it is almost negligible. No one is pay attention in terms of I'm talking about, if I talk about vlogging. So there is no one in my village who make vlog. So I am the only one who is making vlog, and that too in English. So I make my vlog in English. Why I choose, guys, the primary reason I have already mentioned multiple times, not a first time. So I was just coming while I was vlogging. Three ladies, they were one of those who were passerbys. So they was staring at me, and honestly, I'm telling you, I feel literally it is so weird, but I'm trying very hard to make uh, my English. I'm trying very hard to speak well, and I know that it will take time. It will not happen overnight. So I have to keep patient. So that's why, that is the reason, guys, every single day I make my vlog. I'm trying to make my vlog daily, and I don't know how far and who is watching my vlog. So guys, you tell me, my decision is good decision or it is bad decision to vlog in public. I'm where I am not saying, bro, they are not visible. Yeah, I got it. I have, yes, you are right. So they are over there. That means that okay, I understand, bro. So guys, many onlookers is staring at me. I feel honestly shy, but I will not give up. I will not quit. I will not stop. And it's okay, fine, to make a lot of mistake. I do lot of mistake. I make mistake, and sometimes I feel nervous, guys. When I'm suddenly vlogging in front of many peoples, I feel little bit nervous nearly. But it's been 6 months. Interesting, guys. Despite this 6 month respite gone, still I am feeling nervous. I don't know why, because I think I'm not openly or not engaging in public place. So that's why this is happening. So guys, that's all in this video. I just wanted to tell you guys that I think, I don't know, I have no idea. I'm as a new beginner YouTuber. I'm a new YouTuber. I have no idea, not much, but as much as possible I'm trying my best, to make my vlog good. So in this vlog, that's all I just wanted to say, guys. Do support me, please support me, sorry. And if you have any advice, suggestions, let me know in the comment box. So thank you so much. And here is a lot of noisy, many people, villagers coming, and as well music playing. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you for now.